In this video, I'll show you how you can speed up your Microsoft Edge and boost the browser speed. What we want to do first is we want to come up here and we want to click on the extensions, manage extensions. And in here, what you want to do is you want to remove anything that you don't need. Sometimes ad blockers and other stuff can make your browser slow, so make sure you do that. The second option is you want to come up here and click on settings, go to start, home and new tabs. In here, find pages and add a new page, and then type www.google.com. Press add right here. And once you have that right here, then this is how it should be. After that, what you want to do is you want to head over to cookies and site permissions. Scroll down until you find all permissions and make sure location, camera and microphone says ask first. Now at the end, what we want to do is we want to just come to a browser somewhere. And then we want to type in edge : --flags and press enter. In here you want to search for download, find parallel downloading and enable this one. Then restart your Microsoft Edge and now it should hopefully be much faster. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.